Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do you trust that your yogurt, granola, or fruit smoothie or salads is truly healthy? Many foods sold as healthy are worse than candy, and may secretly damage your heart, your brain, and your gut. Stay until the end, and I'll reveal the one common healthy snack that may raise your cancer risk, and a simple swap you can make tonight. To understand the illusion, we first need a name for the culprit: ultraprocessed foods, or UPFs. These are not just foods with a little salt or sugar added. They are industrial formulations, created in factories, made using substances extracted from foods, or synthesized in labs. High fructose corn syrup, hydrogenated oils, protein, isolates, emulsifiers. The scale of this problem is staggering. In the United States, nearly 55% of all calories consumed by the average adult now come from UPFs. This isn't a fringe theory. It's backed by overwhelming scientific evidence. A recent massive review of 45 meta-analyses, including data from nearly 10 million people, delivered a damning verdict. High UPF consumption increases risk of cardiovascular disease, obesity, sleep disorders, diabetes, and early death. So why do we eat them? It's the health halo. Labels like whole grain, low fat, with probiotics, make us assume they're healthy, even when they're loaded with sugar or additives. Let's look at our first example: granola and so-called healthy bars. Many granola mixes and bars are dressed in syrups, dried fruit glaze, and refined oils. Some contain as much sugar per bar as a candy bar. When eaten often, they spike blood sugar and trigger a massive insulin response. So, what's a better version? Start with plain oats, add nuts, and a minimal natural sweetener like honey or a chopped date added by you. Now for example 2. Flavored yogurts. Yogurts marketed as fruit-flavored, low-fat, or probiotic often contain 10 to 20 grams or more of added sugar. Low-fat versions often add extra sugar to compensate for flavor loss. Artificial sweeteners or flavors may disrupt the gut microbiome or cravings. The better alternative: plain, full-fat yogurt, then mix in fresh fruit, nuts, or a small drizzle of honey. Example 3. Bottled juice and smoothies. Even 100% fruit juice lacks fiber, causing rapid sugar absorption. Many smoothie bottles contain 20-30 grams of sugar or more per serving. Studies show that each additional 100 gram per day of UPF consumption, including sweetened drinks, increases risks of hypertension, cardiovascular events, cancer, digestive disease, and mortality. The suggestion: eat whole fruits. If making smoothies, include vegetables, fiber, protein, and limit the fruit juice base. So, why are these healthy foods so dangerous? First, additives and emulsifiers. For example, carboxymethylcellulose was shown to alter gut microbes and increase gut permeability. The ultra-processed formulation itself matters. The effect is not only from nutrients like bad fats and sugar, but also from the food structure, additives, and how processing changes the food matrix. Long-term consequences include increased risk of cancer, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome, and even depression and other mental health issues. So how do you spot the danger? First, check the ingredients list. Long lists with unrecognizable names are a huge red flag. Second, look for hidden sugar under aliases: dextrose, high fructose corn syrup, maltose, cane juice, concentrate. Third, be wary of claims like low fat or with probiotics. They can mask high sugar or additive content. Fourth, watch the serving size. Many single-serving packages are 2 servings in disguise. A simple tool is the NOVA classification. Aim to eat mostly from Group 1, whole, unprocessed foods, and strictly limit Group 4. If this is helpful, make sure you keep watching, because coming up, I'll show the single, healthy snack that may increase your cancer risk, and a smarter swap you can use tonight. If you enjoy these eye-opening insights about what's really in your food, hit that like button. And consider subscribing for more deep dives into food science. It's time for the reveal. The shocking snack is one of the most common: breakfast cereal and health granola. Many are ultra-processed and have been linked with early death in studies. One study showed people who ate the most ultra-processed foods had a significantly higher risk of mortality. The swap: use steel-cut oats or homemade muesli with nuts, seeds, and intact grains, with no added sugars. We've exposed how many healthy foods actually hide sugar, additives, and processing tricks that harm your gut, metabolism, heart, and even your brain. But you're not powerless. Choosing whole, minimally processed foods, reading labels, and making smart swaps gives you control. If this video opened your eyes, don't forget to like, comment with one surprising thing you learned, and subscribe for more hidden truths about food.